Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be installing a wig from VShow hair. Inside the package, I received the frontal wig, a necklace, and a wig cap. The wig that I received is a 13x4 transparent frontal 26-inch wig. As you guys can see from the title and how the wig is styled on my client's head, I will be showing you guys how to cut a bang in this video. I already placed the bowl cap on my client's head. Now I'm just making a dotted line so I can know where I want to lay the lace. When spreading the glue across your client's hairline, you want to make sure that you spread it evenly so it can dry at the same time. Once the glue is clear, you'll know that it's completely dried, and then you can apply the second layer of glue. As you guys can see, for this bang hairstyle, my client didn't want baby hairs at the side, so only the sideburns are out as baby hairs. When you're cutting the side of the lace off, you want to be sure to cut it in a zigzag motion because there won't be any baby hairs to cover the lace. When you're finished cutting off all the lace, you're going to use the makeup closest to your client's skin complexion and cover the lace that is showing. After you've done that, you're going to use a holding spray of your choice and spray it across your client's hairline. Then apply an elastic band on top. While the elastic band is melting the lace into my client's skin, I'm going to start to style the hair. The product that I'm rubbing into my client's hair is BioSilk. I put a little bit into my hand and now I'm just rubbing it throughout the entire wig. This is the result of the lace being melted while I was styling my client's hair. Now I'm just going to hot comb and mold the hair into place before cutting the bangs. For the baby hairs, we were going for a messy natural look, so I didn't use any mousse and gel. The first thing I did was curl the baby hairs with my pencil red flat iron, and now I'm going to use my Got to Be Glued spray and my edge brush and lightly spray some on the side that I'll be using. Before applying it to your client's edge, you want to make sure that it's dried a little bit so it won't be dripping all over. If the brush is dried correctly, it should automatically stay down and be molded once it's brushed. Now I'm going to start with cutting the bangs, but before I cut them, I want to make sure that the bang is flat, so I'm just going to run my hot comb through the top. On the bangs, we wanted the two ends to be longer than the middle, so that's the first thing that I'll be cutting in a diagonal line. Because it's my client's first time with a bang, we didn't know what length we wanted it to be, so I did start off cutting it at a very long length. Now I'm going to cut the bang up to where we think it'll look best. Now I'm just flat ironing the bang and combing it out to see if this is where we want it to be. As you guys can see, the bang still ended up being too long, so now I'm going to cut it a little bit above her eyelid. The scissors that I'm using to cut the bang are regular art scissors because these are the scissors that works best for me. Now that I've found the length that looks best on my clients, I'm just using the scissors and making sure that everything is straight. The sides that are supposed to be longer at the end of the bang, we did end up cutting them a little bit shorter, closer to the length of the bang because that's what looked better. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Continue watching for more videos of the finished look.